If you love cozy gatherings with friends and family, nothing beats a Raclette grill for sharing food and fun. Today we're ranking 5 of the most talked about models from weakest to best so you can find your perfect match. Kicking off our list is the TONZE HB-506, a compact Raclette grill that's simple and easy to use. It's the lightest of the bunch after the smallest CUSIMAX, so it's easy to move around and store. With a low-profile design, it fits neatly on any table, making it ideal for smaller kitchens. In terms of features, it heats up quickly thanks to its 1,300 watts, and the removable grill surface makes cleaning far less of a chore. The non-stick coating is a nice touch, especially for quick mid-party wipe downs. If you just want something straightforward without a big learning curve, this checks that box. The trade-off is its simplicity. There's no adjustable temperature control, meaning you can't fine-tune the heat like on more advanced models. The accessories are minimal, with no pans or fondue options, and the low height limits what you can cook. Compared to the bigger multifunction grills, it's definitely on the basic side. This one's best for people who just want a no-fuss, compact Raclette for casual use. If your cooking style is more about keeping things simple and you don't need a lot of extras, it'll get the job done. Links to all products from this review at the best price are in the description below. Next up is the CucinaPro 460, which gives you a little more personality on your table with its dual surface design. One side is a flat granite stone for an even sear, and the other is a ribbed non-stick plate for those grill marks we all love. It serves up to 8 people, so it's a solid choice for mid-sized gatherings. Its versatility is the star here. You can sear meats on the granite while vegetables or seafood sizzle on the ribbed plate, all at the same time. It's also compact enough to store without taking up an entire cupboard, and the build feels sturdy despite the plastic frame. On the downside, the 1,200 watts of power are lower than some of the higher ranked grills, which means slower heating. There's also no adjustable temperature, so you'll have to manage cooking by shifting food around the plate. Plus, there's no clear manufacturer warranty, which might make some people cautious. If you like the idea of 2 very different cooking surfaces in one compact unit, this is worth considering. It's a straightforward option that blends style and function without going over the top. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next review. In the middle of the pack is the Saenchue FD-12RN1650, a serious crowd pleaser for large gatherings. This grill is massive compared to the rest, with room for 12 people, and it's as versatile as they come. The cooking surface can be swapped between a pancake pan, a striped baking pan, a stone grill, and even a fondue setup. This is a powerhouse at 1,650 watts, and the 3 independent heating zones give you better control over what's cooking where. Non-stick surfaces make cleanup a breeze, and the included fondue pot adds a fun twist to your dinner parties. But there's no hiding its size. It's heavy, bulky, and not something you'll want to haul in and out of storage often. It can also take a bit longer to fully heat up compared to smaller, higher efficiency grills. And for a small household, it's definitely more machine than you need. If you host often and love the idea of serving a variety of foods at once, this grill could be the star of your next dinner event. Just make sure you have the space to store it when it's not in use. Runner-up goes to the CUSIMAX RG608A, a compact and lightweight grill that still brings solid performance. At just under 6 pounds, it's incredibly easy to move and store, making it a favorite for smaller living spaces or casual get-togethers. It may be lower powered at 950 watts, but the adjustable temperature control gives you flexibility for cooking different foods just right. The non-stick grill plate and cool touch handles make it safe and easy to use, while the 8 trays allow everyone at the table to prepare their own portions. The main limitation is the cooking surface size. It's not great for feeding a big crowd, and heat can be a little uneven if you load it up too much. Still, for its size, it's an impressive little unit that competes well with bigger models. If you want something light, portable, and easy to clean that still delivers a true Raclette experience, this one's a winner. It's especially good for intimate gatherings where space is at a premium. Taking the top spot is the CUSIMAX CMRG-300, which strikes a perfect balance between power, versatility, and size. With 1,500 watts under the hood, it heats up fast and cooks evenly, making it one of the most efficient models on our list. Its 2 reversible plates, one ribbed and one flat, give you plenty of cooking options, and the adjustable temperature control lets you fine-tune for everything from searing steak to gently melting cheese. The 8 included pans make it perfect for shared meals meals, and the included warranty adds peace of mind. It's a bit heavier than the smallest models and only offers basic temperature control rather than digital precision, but those are small trade-offs for what you get in return. You do need to be careful with the hot surfaces, but that's true for most raclette grills. If you want a raclette grill that does almost everything well without being too big or too small, this is the one to get. It's the sweet spot between performance and practicality. Check out the top-ranked grills from this list using the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product deep dives just like this.